Today we're going to be cleaning these headlights. I'm going to be using some metal cream polish and we're going to use it on the headlights. I saw a video before about using that metal cream polish and it worked pretty good, so I'm going to try it myself. We're going to do half and half. Alright. I'm going to clean this side over here. Just to see the difference and see if these things really work. There's no sanding necessary. You just need to apply the metal polish and use a cloth and clean it. There you go. I guess you can see the difference right there. Can you see the difference? See? Without polishing, polish. Super clean.